Hi everyone, we're back with the Hoover PowerDash hard floor cleaner. Today we're going to be using this machine to tackle my dirty kitchen floors. You can see there's this stain, all these stains, some stain in the grout line right there, some other stain right there, this yellow stain here, something was stuck right there. That's a loose piece of dirt. A stain in the grout line right here. Another stain right here. Not sure if that's a stain or the color of the floor. Something stuck in the grout line there. Overall, the kitchen floor is extremely dirty. And I knew that the only thing, that's my dishwasher, that noise, that's going to be able to take on this dirt is the Hoover PowerDash hard floor cleaner. This is a really nice machine. I've used it a couple times on my floors and have had very good results with it. This is the solution we're using. Tile and grout renewal, 2 ounces per gallon, made only for tile and grout surfaces, which is what this is. So without further ado, let's get started with the Hoover. There go those spin scrub brushes. See how long it takes to tackle these stains. So we got all but that tiny little bit right there. I think that was tomato sauce, and it took it out really easily. There's this green stain. Not sure what on earth that could possibly be. Solution smells amazing. But whatever that green stain is, it's not going to come out. Let's try this stain in the grout line. Yep, that grout line stain has been removed. That is awesome. There's another stain right here in the grout line. A little bit more of a tricky stain this time. Let's try this spot. It's really dried on. A couple of quick passes and the Hoover took that off. Impressive. Go back to this spot. Whatever that is, it won't come out. All right, let's continue on. Hold it on this stain or whatever that is right there. Won't come up with my sock, so it's pretty hardened into the floor. Got that. Stain here. Looks like 2 forward and backward passes were enough to extract that stain out of the floor. See this green there, wiped off with my sock. Required a lot of pushing though. All right, let's move over here now and do the entrance to the downstairs this way from the garage. This machine is doing such a fantastic job. So this is about all the cleaning we're gonna do in today's video. Let's go check the results on the floors, and then we'll check the dirty water. So these floors look absolutely phenomenal. You can see they're almost completely dry. A lot of this wet spots are from my feet, but the floors look beautifully clean. So much more refreshed. The color's back into the floor better. You can see the color of the floor better is what I mean. This solution is amazing. I've had this solution in the past. It works in pretty much any hard floor cleaning machine. I used it in the Bissell Crosswave. I used it in the Hoover, what was that one? The Floormate Jet. I used it in this machine, of course, and I used it in the LG Spin Mop, and I use it in the Bissell Spin Wave, and it's all had great results on this tile. It always picks up dirt better than other solutions I've used. The solution is amazing. Let's see. Rinse, dry cap before returning to bottle. Tile and grout solution, citrus scented. Such an amazing solution. It says it revitalizes tile surfaces. So let's check out and see what the dirty water looks like. Oh my. So you can see that on this seemingly clean floor that was just mopped a couple days ago, maybe 5 days ago or something, with the LG Spin Mop. This is all the dirt, grime. You can see if I pick the tank up the right way. All that nastiness right there. You can see all this dirt right here, but this is where the dirt will come up. This is where the dirt will come up. But overall, this machine does such an amazing job. I'm so impressed with the performance of this Hoover PowerDash hard floor cleaner so far. It's just been fantastic on my floors. It makes them look clean again and look just so much better than they did. And I think that's due to its spin scrub brushes and better suction. So let me know what you think about this. Tell me what you want to see next. And I'll see you next time. Goodbye.